If you are a YouTube creator and you have your videos or some of your videos monetized, you may have noticed a sharp drop in your revenue or estimated revenue for the month of January 2018. Some of my fellow YouTubers are panicking, but let me offer up a possible solution for why this decrease may be happening. I didn't become a YouTube creator to make a bunch of money. I did it mainly for the creative purposes and to try to reach an audience and to put some of the concepts that I share frequently out there for anyone to use. I have to admit though, I've had a few checks from YouTube and it's quite nice when those do arrive. This screenshot of my analytics that I took on the app on my phone today shows that my watch time and my views have dropped over the past month, but my view duration has been pretty stable, but the revenue has taken a sharp decline, especially in the month of January. Here's the data as viewed on my laptop. I've blocked out some of the specific information on mine, and that shows you again that the revenue has taken a very sharp decline over the past month. The data that I'm able to view on my app on my phone shows similar markings, but the numbers are far lower than the data that I look on my laptop. So if you're looking at both of those, compare those, I think the data on the laptop might be a little bit more up to date. Let me offer a theory as to why our revenues may be declining. Back in the 90s, I owned the largest domestic cleaning service in our county. We had months where we were just booming. We made so much money in November and December. The first year I owned the business, I just knew that we were going to be rich owning this company. Then January came and our business dropped off like crazy. My manager and I just sat in the office and looked at each other and stared at the phone, willing it to ring, but that didn't work. I was just flustered by how our business had dropped off. Then I started thinking about it, doing some analyzing. Everyone wants their home cleaned for the holidays in November and December, but everyone's broke in January, so they dropped off things that were not necessary, such as home cleaning. So our business cycle was that we had a lot of increase in business in December and November, and then again in the spring for spring cleaning, but our business dropped off in January and in the summer months when kids were home from school and parents didn't see the point in cleaning their house anyway. I'm going to link at the end of this a little video called How Terry Morris Explains the Business Cycle that may help some of us. We may not like it, but if we're on YouTube to make money, as some people are, then we're going to have to understand that there is a business cycle that advertisers and businesses use when they're spending their money. And if you're counting on money from YouTube, we're going to have to ride that cycle as well. We may need to understand that advertisers are just not spending a lot of money advertising in January. But keep the faith, things will pick back up. Continue putting good content out there regardless of making money or not. Thank you for watching. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share the video if appropriate, and until next time, bye.